Hello guys, welcome. Today we're going to look at landing page mastery. Okay, so what is landing page? Landing page focus almost on capturing lead for a newsletter or making sale for a specific product, and make no attempt to give a visitor different options. So the only option is to capture the leads. Okay, and another common words that is often used to describe landing page is squeeze page. Okay, they call it lead capture page, opt-in page. Okay, this is in the same cycle. So landing page, when someone says squeeze page, just know that is a landing page. Okay, also lead capture page or opt-in page. So the aim here is to capture the leads for either for newsletter or making sales for a certain product. So the squeeze page is a page designed to get names and email address. Okay, so you can either you should always get an email address. Okay, that is the only purpose. Okay, so squeeze page can aim is to get name, okay, and email address. This is for further either to continue communicating with the leads. Okay, usually, however, squeeze page is usually smaller type of landing page, okay, which usually has an opt-in form. Okay, they include email and name. Okay, example of them is this one. Okay, yeah, they need to put their your name here and put your best email here. Then you're going to get instant access to the things which you intend to do, to either a product or a training, okay, or a free ebook. Okay, so that is how this is all look like. So this is a squeeze page. The aim is to get a name and the email. Okay, so what is the most important thing you learn about in this landing page? First, it's important to recognize that all successful market out there use this. If you plan to sell a product over the internet, you will want to use one or two rather than rely on sidebar opt-in form and focus the pages that do not convey a single point and a single call to action. Okay, example call to action here you can see is get instant access. You need to put those into consideration. Very single. Don't rely on sidebar opt-in form. Another important thing you will want to take away from this introduction to landing page is that every landing page contains the same parts and is focused on a single goal, that is to get in the visitor to become a subscriber or buyer, to put their name and email, then you can communicate to them later. This part is, as you can see, is an opt-in form, okay, or a sell prompt, a brief or lengthy introduction. You can say what it's all about. Either that report is about how to make $100 a day with free traffic or other things. Okay, that is a brief or a lengthy introduction. A picture of the list / product owner, either a picture also of the product. If you don't want to put a picture of the owner or yourself, it's cool though. You can put it in a thank you page or blah blah. The signature of the list owner is not important also, but this you can put in your thank you page. After people opt in, they can see who they going to see their email from. A call to action or multiple call to action. A call to action, you can see get instant access. So that are the most important things you're going to look. So determine which mode will work best for you can simply only be done through testing. So you need to do testing multiple squeeze page in order for you to know which page is either converting good. Okay, so you need to look at different, either the color, okay, the headline, short paragraph. Otherwise this will boost a high conversion rate because they use lengthy troll and compiling copy. So you need to go and looking into those guys. So thanks so much. I'll see you on the next video.